Right now, a shadow financial system is quietly moving over $1 billion in capital every single day. Yet the machine processing all that wealth is operating in a state of ruin, its value having plummeted 90%. Founder Stani Kulechov built the first iteration of this back in 2017 under the name ETHLend, giving the public a way to hand their wealth directly to algorithms. The ecosystem is governed by incredibly strict parameters. The circulating supply is permanently capped at 16 million tokens, and there is no burn mechanism to destroy or reduce that supply. By engineering an absolute capped environment, the creators successfully removed human error. But by entirely removing the human element, they inherently stripped away any human safety nets for when disaster struck. As crypto markets caught fire, billions of dollars in deposits flooded into Aave's finite supply, driven by intense public euphoria. This chart shows Aave's staggering price surge. The token rocketed upward, peaking at an all-time high of $665 in May 2021. Because Aave is a governance token with no burn mechanism, there was no way to vent this massive pressure. Blinded by the prospect of limitless gains, users willingly surrendered total control of their wealth to the automated system. The token's market cap dangerously swelled into the billions, severely testing the theoretical limits of a largely untested architecture. The peak at $665 represented the maximum stress point of a financial bridge buckling under the weight of sheer hubris. This chart shows the moment the bottom fell out. The token's value instantly plummeted 90%, crashing into a flat baseline near $70. The smart contracts executed perfectly. As the crash accelerated, the algorithms locked down, trapping users' wealth inside the collapsing system. The fallout from that automation continues today, sparking complex legal disputes over millions in permanently frozen funds. During the freefall, there was no manager to call, and no government regulator capable of overriding the code to stop the bleeding. The unyielding code, originally designed to protect people from the banks, had successfully mutated into an inescapable financial cage. Yet Aave has stubbornly survived the devastation. Today, it still commands a market cap of over $1.1 billion. This chart shows its current precarious technical range. The price is trapped, bouncing tightly between a support level around $70 and resistance near $78. Developers are working aggressively to reinforce this corridor, proposing upgrades with smarter risk management protocols. The platform retains a remarkably solid foundation, holding billions in active deposits, but it operates beneath a heavy cloud of ongoing legal uncertainties. Aave's current operational success stands as a new architecture built directly on top of a financial graveyard. In a completely decentralized world, absolute financial freedom exacts a specific price. It demands absolute vulnerability. For anyone still navigating this space, surviving against the ghosts of May 2021 requires extreme patience rather than blind hope. You can track Aave on exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or SushiSwap. If you want more breakdowns of the mechanics driving these markets, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research.